Welcome back, Modified Crew, to the $2,200 FRS build. I am your daily driver, Mark Herman, and today the FRS has become a dirty girl. She has been sitting for months at Copart and sitting well I built her. Before we can start the modification process, we got to get her all cleaned up. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to professionally detail a car.
Feeling so hollow, don't you know, don't you know?
Alright guys, so first thing you want to do when washing the car, you want to go ahead and get two buckets. One for the soap and the other one for rinsing your mitt. So basically when you wash the car, you're going to get contaminants on the mitt or sponge or whatever you're using. When you do that, you go and rinse it in the rinse bucket, then put it in the soap bucket, and then you can wash again. If you don't do this, you risk having rocks and debris on your mitt, and then it can cause damage to your paint. The other thing I want to do is I rinse the car first. Obviously, you want to get as much dirt off of it as possible before rubbing into the paint. So I use a pressure washer. I don't use it on the harshest setting because this can damage it, so you want to exercise caution. I like electric pressure washers because I know it's going to work every time I take it out, versus gas. Sometimes they need a little more fiddling or maintenance. So with that being said, let's go and get started right now. What, no one else washes their car like that? Just me? Come on, Mark, focus, come on. Say hello to my little friend. Now that we got the car washed and dried, we're gonna go ahead and get the deep setting debris off the paint. Now to do that prior to waxing the car or polishing the car, you wanna go ahead and remove it by using a clay bar. And the way it works is you get your clay bar and then you get it on with some soapy water, either some quick detailer or a clay bar lube. And basically you rub it on the surface of the car and that removes the contaminants out of the paint. That way when you go to do polishing and waxing, you're not rubbing in the contaminants into the paint and causing fine scratches, embedding it in the paint, whatever it may be. So we're gonna go and clay bar the car right now.
I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know? for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.
We went ahead and clay barred the car. Now we're gonna go ahead and polish it. And what polishing does is it's like a fine liquid. Well, it's a liquid with like fine abrasive properties in it. And basically what you do is you go ahead and buff it into the car. And what it does is it removes fine lines, scratches, things like that. And that's why you wanna get the impurities out first, because now it's gonna kind of like, I guess in a way, level out the paint so you get that shine and gloss back. It removes the haze, the swirl marks, everything like that, if done properly. If done improperly, you can burn into the paint, damage it, and things like that. So go ahead and move at a nice, even pace. Don't stay in one spot, don't burn it in. Because it is an abrasive, you can burn into the clear coat and or paint. So we're gonna go and get to it right now.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
We are in the final steps of finishing up this car. So we just finished polishing it out. The next step we need to do is you want to go ahead and wax it so you can kind of protect what you've done. So I'm going to go ahead and wax it right now, and then I will show you guys the final results in just a moment. All right, guys, we're done. I would be lying if I said it wasn't a long day. It has been. It's a very rewarding process. It does take a long time, but in the end, you'll be happy that you did it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see the final result. so cold, guys. It's winter, and I'm doing this for you. Oh.